This is a quick and easy way to remove and replace your handlebars for the gsxr models. This one specifically is the 2007 gsxr 1000. So my left handlebar broke and it needs to be replaced. I have the replacement one right here, but in order to take this one out and replace it with this one, certain things needs to be done. First, what I did was I went to my auto parts store and bought this 36 inches socket. It's for the lock nut that's holding the triple tree stem. Of course, when you take this out, it's going to be going to the left side, righty tighty, lefty loosey. When this bolt is loosened, there's a washer that comes attached to it. You want to make sure that you put both these parts in a secure location so that when it's time to get them again or put it back on the bike, it won't be a problem. So that lock nut comes off. What else come off? The screw. Well, look at that. It's a star head, and that size is, focus, there we go, 7/32. Regular ratchet. Take that screw out. Handlebar drops. Before you take this out, you want to make sure that you mark your location where the upper triple tree clamp is at and where the handlebars are at. You don't want anything to be misaligned. So when you mark your location, all your bolts are out, lock nut, you can then start driving upper triple tree clamp rather, up. Bring it up high enough. You now have access to your handlebars. So this is my handlebar. So we have two bolts here, one here, one here. This is for the hydraulic clutch and a clutch lever. Just unbolting these, handlebar will then be free. I can then take this hand grip out and unscrew this casing for your signals. When you unscrew this, it will come out in part, a bottom part and a top part, and it open in half. It's like a mouth. When these two screws are unbolting, this opens right up, like a Pac-Man mouth. Then you are then able to take out your handlebar, and you can then put your new handlebar in. Put your new handlebar in, like so. And when your new handlebar is on, you want to make sure that you put your hand grips back on. You want to put your signal switch back on. You want to put your hydraulic clutch and your clutch lever back on. Well, that's actually the one unit. And you want to put your handlebar at the same location where you marked it. Pretty easy. Takes less than 10-15 minutes to get this done and put everything all back together. Same way how you take stuff off, you want to make sure you put them back on. So I'll make sure to put this stuff back on now.